Businesses we talk to every day, from merchants to billers to payments platforms, are all looking to find new ways to lower the cost of payments, improving their margin. That's why we've seen a real acceleration in Pay by Bank in the US, particularly around use cases like bill pay, digital subscriptions, and wallet-funded payments. And this is happening faster than we expected. In fact, adopting bank-linked payments is now the #2 priority for merchants. So, what is Pay by Bank and why are companies flocking towards it? Pay by Bank is simply paying for goods or services directly from a bank account, usually using the local bank rail. And it's a lot cheaper than alternatives. But if it saves you so much money, why aren't more companies using it today? Well, to get this right, there are 2 things companies need to solve for. First, you need to make sure the experience will actually be adopted by your customers. And second, you need to be able to manage the risk of returns. We've got lots of updates cooking on how we can help you to manage settlement risk. Keep an ear out for more news later this year. But today, I want to focus on how we can help you to solve the first problem. Getting consumers to adopt bank payments requires a seamless user experience that exceeds their checkout expectations. That's why we're helping you do that through Plaid's new Pay by Bank offerings, which not only lowers the cost of payments by 40%, but also increases your payment success. Today, I'm excited to show you not 1, but 2 brand new experiences designed to finally make Pay by Bank as easy as paying by card. These new experiences are optimized for your checkout and are built to bring you high conversion rates that maximize your adoption and, as a result, your cost savings. So here's a payments experience for Carsurance, an insurance company where I'm paying for my policy. Insurance policies are recurring, so it's an ideal use case for Pay by Bank. In this screen, you see the checkout flow where a user would typically enter their personal information to get started. For this payment flow, Carsurance has 2 embedded components to choose between. They could use our context-aware embedded checkout experience, and that surface allows you to bring link within your checkout page, enabling your user to search, be recognized, or even experience your rewards to choose Pay by Bank. And the other option is our dynamic button, which is built with the same context-aware capabilities. It'll display incentives, recognizable bank logos, or other copy relevant to educate the consumer on the convenience of Pay by Bank with Plaid. Carsurance chose the embedded component to optimize their checkout for Pay by Bank adoption. We've seen about 40% more users get through this flow in some of our early research. Now, because I've previously connected my accounts with a Plaid-powered app, I'm prompted with the faster, more seamless account linking flow. With Plaid, you're not just getting the best user experience, you're also getting the best adoption with the most recognizable Pay by Bank experience in just a few taps. Once I choose my preferred account, I can move forward with paying with my bank. Each month moving forward, this information will be saved with my insurance company for automated payments. Adding this embedded component is also extremely easy. All you have to do is copy this code snippet from our docs, and we'll dynamically fill the module with the most relevant institutions. No matter your checkout page, you can customize how big or small you want this embedded module to be. Now, not every checkout flow works the same. Let's take a look at another example. My cat Toby recently destroyed my couch, and I've been saving up for another one. So I'm going to buy a new couch and a matching coffee table at Tabby Antique. The checkout flow is a lot more streamlined than the insurance company, so it made sense for Tabby Antique to choose our dynamic button. Plaid can give you signals to decide whether to dynamically show or hide this button based on whether your customer is likely to get a streamlined authentication experience. And because I've already saved my account to Plaid, I see an option for me to pay with my bank account. Tabby Antique is also offering a 1% discount for users to Pay by Bank, so I choose this option. And just like before, I get a super simple payment experience. And there we go. Toby's new my new couch is on its way. Sweet. So if you're like the companies I speak to every day, you know that you need a new payment method that is cost-effective, high-performing, with an experience that is at least on par with, if not better than, traditional methods. And here are a few ways we're doing that for you. First, we're helping to address ease of use. With over 100 million users who have used Plaid Link to connect their financial accounts, not only is Link a recognizable and seamless user experience, is also trusted. Second, it's about ease of settlement. You want reliable payments. Because of our network strength, we can also offer machine learning risk products like Plaid Signal and Insights that protect both consumers and businesses. Signal helps you to de-risk bank payment settlement so that you can transact with confidence, as if ACH is instant. Signal is used by companies like Robinhood to accelerate ACH and reduce risk. Using Plaid's streamlined account linking solution combined with our risk and money movement solutions, you can offer bank payments that work like cards. You can make real-time decisions and be confident that approved transactions will settle. Lastly, it's about ease of integration. We know that you're working with a variety of payment providers today, so whether you're working directly with Plaid or your preferred payments provider, we've got you. We've now built a native integration with Adyen to make offering Pay by Bank just a flip of the switch via their payment stack. A number of Adyen merchants are going live this month. Keep an eye out for gym memberships, insurance payments, and software subscriptions accepting Pay by Bank very soon. You can start using the embedded and dynamic button today. See our docs for more details. We've got a session later today to tell you more about how you can get started with Plaid's Pay by Bank solution, so don't forget to sign up. Next up, Trevor Neese, SVP and Global Head of Digital Strategy at Adyen, will join us to tell you more about the future of Pay by Bank.